The in vivo behavior of synthetic polymeric biomaterials is a critical aspect of medical engineering, as it determines their stability, functionality, and biological response once implanted. Unlike natural polymers, these materials can be designed with high structural precision, modulating their molecular weight, degree of polymerization, and architecture through mechanisms such as step growth polymerization, chain polymerization, or copolymerization. This versatility allows for the adjustment of mechanical, thermal, and chemical properties according to the clinical application, ranging from polyolefins used in joint replacements to polyacrylates used as bone cements or surgical adhesives. Once implanted, these materials can remain stable, be bioeliminated, or undergo biodegradation, with hydrolysis being the most frequent mechanism in synthetic polymers. This process can occur through the breaking of bonds between chains, the transformation of side groups into water-soluble structures, or the cleavage of the main chain, generating metabolizable fragments. Furthermore, degradation can be dominated by water diffusion throughout the material or by surface erosion, depending on the balance between water penetration and bond breaking rate. Factors such as the chemical stability of the bonds, hydrophobicity, steric effects, the generation of autocatalytic products, and microstructure influence the hydrolysis rate and, therefore, the biomaterial's lifespan. Thus, studying in vivo behavior not only allows for the optimization of the design of synthetic polymeric biomaterials, but also forms the basis for more precise, controlled, and results-oriented regenerative medicine.